Okay, welcome back. So I'm going to be showing us how to set up our store. The first thing that comes to your screen is a form like this that prompts you to add your logo, your store location, your description, and any banner that you may have about your store. So we are going to be filling this in. But first of all, we'll pick our store logo. This is our store logo. Then we also set up our store for the purpose of this demo. We'll say we are at 7 Deji Street in the heart of Lagos. Just impute that there. Then we write a short description about our store. Once that is done, we can upload any image, any banner that we have. So you're able to upload a maximum of 3 banners, and once you're done with that, you just click on next and it saves. Once you're done with that, the next thing that comes to your screen is a prompt for you to add the services that you offer or provide in your store. So we are just going to add a couple of services to this. Once you click on add service, you add the name of service. For example, wash, you add the price that you wash. Let's say you wash for 500 naira and it takes you 24 hours to provide a washing service. So you add that as a service. You can add as many services as you want to add. You can add wash and iron. Let's say you wash and iron for 1,000 naira and it takes you 48 hours to wash and iron. You create that and you add the service. You add another service, quick wash, and you provide quick wash for 5,000 and it takes you 3 hours to provide the service. You just save it. So I'm going to add more services and then come back to the video. So I've added a couple of services to the platform. So I've added wash and iron, quick wash, quick press, iron and stash, steam and stash as well. So you can add as much service as you want. You can even edit it because I'm seeing that there's an error here. So I'll just edit this and update the service and it is updated. As you can see here, I can add as much service. If I made a mistake to the hours, let's say I provide iron and stash for 25 hours, I can edit it to 25 hours. Since I made a mistake to put in 24 hours, and I will just update that, and that's done for all the services I provide at my store. The next thing I'm going to click on next. When I click on next, I see a prompt for me to add item that I provide these services for. I click on add item and you see that a list of all the services I added, they are already listed here. Let's say for an item shirt, I provide all the services. I can wash shirts, I can wash and iron, I can quick wash it, I can quick press it, I can iron and stash it. But let's say for shirts, my iron and stash for shirts is just about 3,000. I can edit it. And let's say I do not steam and stash shirts, I could just take this out and save it. And I can add as many items as I can or as I want to. I can add blankets to it, and I do not quick press a blanket, so I can delete it. I can delete steam I can delete iron and stash because that is not provided for blankets, but I quick wash it. Let's say I also wash and iron blankets, I could just leave that, but I wash and iron for about 10,000. I just edit in the price and I save it. I can add as many items as I want. So I'm just going to add more items behind the scene and we'll come back. Okay, great. I've added as much items as I want. Once I'm done and I'm comfortable with the number of items that I've added, I just click on done and voila. It tells me congratulations, your store is set up. You are all set to start managing your laundry business with WashTrack. I would come back in another video to show us how to create an order.